7 reasons getting into the glazer trade is worth it in 2025. Listen up. I'm about to drop some truth bombs about a trade that is literally everywhere around you right now. You're looking through it. You're walking past it. Hell, you probably just drove past 50 buildings covered in it. But here's the kicker nobody talks about. The glazier trade, glass installation, window wizardry, whatever you want to call it. And before we get started, smash that like button and subscribe. All right, let's get into it. Now look, I'm a half a century old, 5 decades of breathing, learning, and screwing up. Been swinging hammers and fixing broken stuff since I was barely old enough to hold tools properly. Spent the last decade and a half as an HVAC contractor. But here's what most people don't know about me. I've been in the HVAC game for nearly 3 decades, 29 years of crawling through attics, fixing broken units, and dealing with customers who think their thermostat is possessed. But today, we're talking about something different, something massive that's hiding in plain sight. Reason number 1, the money is stupid good. First reason to get into glazing in 2025. The money will make your bank account do backflips. We're talking $45,000 to $65,000 starting out. Not bad for learning to handle glass, right? But here's where it gets spicy. Experienced glazers, they're pulling in $70K to $90K easy. Commercial glazers working on those fancy skyscrapers, we're talking 6 figures, baby. And if we go contractor, like I did, sky's the limit. I've been seeing glazing contractors pull in $200K, $300K, sometimes even hitting $500,000. Why? Because everything needs glass. Every building, every car, every storefront. Glass breaks. Glass needs replacing. Glass needs upgrading. And guess what? There aren't enough skilled people to do it. Supply and demand, folks. Economics 101. Reason 2, job security that's bulletproof. This job is more secure than Fort Knox. Think about it. Can you automate precision glass installation? Can a robot measure, cut, and install a custom window 40 stories up? Nope. Plus, glass is everywhere. Look around right now. That window you're sitting by, glazers installed it. The glass door, glazers. That fancy shower enclosure, glazers. Your car windshield, glazer. The Bureau of Labor Statistics say glazers' jobs will grow 6% through 2032. That's faster than average. But here's the real tea. Climate change means more extreme weather, more broken windows, more storm damage, more work. I hate to profit off Mother Nature's mood swings, but job security, people. Reason 3, you're not just installing glass, you're building the future. Those massive glass buildings downtown, the ones that look like they're from a sci-fi movie, glazers built those. Smart glass that change opacity, glazers install it. Energy efficient windows saving the planet, glazers. Those Instagram-worthy glass houses, glazers. You become part of something bigger. Every skyline you see, glazers helped create it. Talk about leaving a legacy, right?
Hey, quick break here. If you're interested in a free course on getting into the trades, then click this link below.
Reason 4, variety that keeps you sane. This job has more variety than a Vegas buffet. One day you're working on a luxury hotel lobby, next day you're fixing storefront windows. Day after that, maybe you're installing skylights in someone's dream home. I've been working trades for, well, let's just say I've been around since MTV actually played music videos. And the worst part about most trades, the monotony. Same job, same problems, same everything. But glazing? No, man. Every project is different. Every installation has its own challenges. Keeps your brain sharp. Keeps the working interesting. Plus, you get some killer views. Try installing windows on the 50th floor and tell me your office has a better view than that. Real talk for a second. If you're having trouble deciding what trade career to choose, I got you covered. Check out Course Careers. Talk to Coura. This is Course Careers' new AI career counselor. Coura will help you figure out if electrical work fits your goals, and then you can start the free intro course it suggests, just like students across multiple industries have used to break into high-paying careers fast without any experience or college degree. The intro course will show you exactly what the job is like and how to get hired within 4 to 12 weeks. I'll leave the link in my descriptions and pinned in the comments below. Now back to why glazing is going to change your life. Reason number 5, skills that transfer everywhere. The skills you learn are gold. Precision measuring? Check. Attention to detail? Double check. Problem solving under pressure? Triple check. But here is the kicker. You learn to work with your hands and your brain, calculating angles, understanding structural load, reading blueprints. These skills transfer to everything. Want to flip houses? You got it. Want to start your own construction company? You're ready. Want to become a building inspector? Boom. At my age, we're nearly 3 decades in HVAC under my belt. I can tell you transferable skills are everything. They're your insurance policy, your backup plan, your ticket to freedom. 6th reason, the technology is absolutely bonkers right now. We're talking smart glass that responds to sunlight, electronic windows that tint themselves, glass so strong it can stop bullets. And here's the beautiful part. Someone has to install this stuff. The fancier the technology gets, the more skilled technicians we need. You're not just learning a trade, you're learning the future of building technology. Plus, you get to play with some seriously cool toys, laser measuring devices, computer-controlled cutting systems, precision lifting equipment. It's like being in a high-tech workshop every day. Last reason, and this one is personal, the respect you get as a skilled tradesperson, priceless. Look, I've been in the trades for, let's just say, I remember when cell phones were the size of bricks. And there's something special about being the person people call when they need something fixed, when they need something built, when they need someone who actually knows what they're doing. Architects consult you. Engineers ask for your input. Property owners trust you with their biggest investment. That's pride you feel when you drive past a building and say, I put those windows in. That's worth more than any paycheck. How to get into the trade. All right, so how do you actually get into glazing? 3 main paths. Path number 1, apprenticeship. Find a local glazier union. Apply for their apprenticeship program. 4 years of learning while you earn. They pay you to learn. Can't beat that deal. Path number 2, trade school. 6 months to 2 years of focused training. Hands-on experience with real equipment. Job placement assistant, usually included. Path number 3, on-the-job training. Start as a helper with a glazing contractor. Learn while you work. Fastest way to start making money. My advice? Start researching today. Call local glazing companies. Ask about helper positions. Contact trade schools. Get information. Look up your local glazier union. The sooner you start, the sooner you're making that glazier money. Listen, at 50 years old, with 15 years as an HVAC contractor and 29 years total in the trade, I've seen a lot of careers come and go. But glazing, this trade is solid. You get good money, job security, variety of respect, and the chance to literally shape the world around us. Every time someone looks out a window you installed, every time someone walks through a glass door you hung, every time someone admires a building you helped create, that's your legacy. The question isn't whether glazing is worth it in 2025. The question is, are you ready to grab this opportunity? If this video helped you, smash that like button. If you want more unfiltered trade career advice, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And here's your trade joke for the day. Why don't glazers ever get stressed? Because they know how to handle the pain. Get it? Pain? Like a window pane? All right, that's terrible, but you're going to remember it. Peace out.